What's up? Big Herc 916. Muscle up. You're tuned into my exclusive car channel where I talk about all cars, everything cars. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the channel. It's the second Saturday out here at Fourtillfour. We're gonna go see what's going on. It's supposed to be Fast Car Saturday, so yeah, stay tuned. Well, look, this is kind of like
Toyota Tercel inside. 1980.
This is the speed tail. So this is kind of like the same as like the McLaren.
SF5?
Well, McLaren F1. Remember you sat in the middle.
Yeah, but like it just doesn't look plush.
Well, yeah, it's not luxurious as you would think as far as
It's like an SF5.
Well, look at how you sit on the side person. Kind of like you sit kind of behind.
Yeah, you gotta be like twig.
Interesting. You don't see too many of these. These are kind of underrated too. You don't see
Yeah, this is built by
Ferrari. Yeah, it's got, I think, is it a the V8? I think it's a V8. I don't know a whole lot about the MC20. I mean, they said it's an underrated supercar. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of a from the back, kind of Bugatti-ish, huh? And then maybe R8-ish. I don't know.
yeah.
Suede, leather, hardtop convertible. What do you think?
It looks sick. It looks sick.
Yeah, this is another MC20. This thing looks good. I kind of like the spec on this one. Nice color combination. Let me know what you guys think. Look at that exhaust. Pretty badass. Wheels are pretty sick. MC20. Nice looking car.
Yeah, like for that you get like a tumbler thing, all that.
Radical. This is like driving literally the closest thing probably to what an F1 on the street with the lateral G's. I wouldn't think it would be super comfortable on the road, but this is a track monster right here. It'd be a tight fit for a guy like me. Yeah, I don't know if me and the wifey could get in here. Now this Porsche right here, you know, is not playing around. He got the intercoolers up here in the front spoiler, and it's got the roll cage in here. It's got the racing Recaros. Yeah, this thing is serious business right here. Speed Society Car Club. I didn't hear it when it pulled in, but you know it's no joke. I mean, look at that, the radiator. This is a badass Porsche GT2. Now, if you're a classic Ferrari guy, F355 Challenge, this is a nice car right here, and this looks like it's kind of track focused. Got the Rob Report logo on it. Yeah, he did a seat delete for weight, and it looks like it's definitely had its usage out there on track day. It's got the tow hitch in the back. Paint still looks good though, so it hasn't had probably any wipeouts, but it looks good. 355. Got a Jaguar XKE out here too. One of the few classics out here on, I'm sorry, got a Jaguar E-Type out here. One of the few classics on the Fast Saturday car show. Yeah, these are always beautiful to look at, so I had to come out here and get a quick video of it for you guys.
I still love that car. I love Porsches.
Got a Lotus Evora with a travel box on top. The GT2's pulling out. Yeah. This is one of the sickest Maseratis ever made. That thing's nasty. Fucking nasty. That's what's in that crazy. We were just talking about that car. It's crazy. Were there like 12 in the world or something like that?
Not many.
Probably can't even see out the back, huh? And you don't want to curve that.
Ooh, no.
Sounds tame, huh?
Yeah, it is.
I don't think there's but like maybe 12 in the world.
I was just gonna say they're
Yeah.
super rare.
Super rare.
Yeah.
Remember, this is around the time with the Enzo too.
Oh, dude, this thing's a machine.
Like that.
You can tell the air by the diameter of the rims are only like 16.
Oh, the old school? Yeah. It would have been 20s on there now. Got the SL65 Black Series. Oh, excuse me. This is a beast right here. V12. One of my favorite cars right here. This thing is nasty. I mean, let's look at the wide body kit on this thing. Killing it. Bi-turbo. Yeah, that's sick. This is definitely a recognizable Black Series right here. The SL65. Nasty, you guys. When it comes to the Mercedes, this is one of my favorites. Still to this day. This GTO pulled up and had to come get a closer look at it for you guys. You know I'm a big muscle car guy, so this is right up my alley, and it's a 6-speed. Clean. Did a good job on it. GTO is killing it. Got the disc brakes. Looks like the interior is pretty original. Yeah, nice restoration on this car. So that was Cars and Coffees over here at Fourtillfour. Fast Car Saturday. Man, the MC12 kind of made the car show. That Maserati, that car is sick. The Mercedes SL65 Black Series, that car is sick. Man, some cool cars out here today. Not super crowded, but just enough to where, you know, you get to walk around and still look at the cars. Subscribe, share the channel, go to bigherc916.com to pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed. I gotta hurry up and wash my ass. Go to bigherc916.com, pick you up a bar of soap and wash your ass, or else you're gonna be under arrest too. Oh shit.